Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're ranking the top 5 robot vacuums that'll keep your floors spotless without you lifting a finger. Let's get into it, starting with number 5. Number 5. Tapo RV30 Max Plus Robot Vacuum. A budget-friendly robot vacuum that punches above its weight class for households who need reliable cleaning without premium pricing. If you're looking for hands-free floor cleaning without emptying your wallet, this vacuum deserves your attention for its straightforward operation and dependable performance. With its auto-empty station and solid suction power, this vacuum handles daily cleaning tasks effectively across hardwood and low-pile carpets. The navigation system avoids obstacles reasonably well, while the self-emptying feature means you only need to deal with a base station every few weeks. What sets it apart is the smartphone app control that provides scheduling and room mapping without complicated setup. The vacuum returns to its base automatically and empties itself, making it perfect for busy households who want automation without complexity. Where it shines: great value for money, auto-empty convenience, decent suction power, and reliable app control. Where it falls short: struggles with thick carpets and advanced obstacle avoidance, isn't as refined as premium models. Who's it for? Perfect for budget-conscious buyers or anyone wanting reliable automated cleaning without premium features. Bottom line, the Tapo RV30 Max Plus strikes a solid balance between automation, performance, and affordability for everyday floor cleaning. Number 4. eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop, a versatile cleaning robot that blends vacuuming and mopping capabilities with smart features. Perfect for households who need comprehensive floor care. This isn't just another robot vacuum. It's a thoughtful system that delivers both cleaning methods effectively. Thanks to the all-in-one station and dual cleaning modes, you get excellent floor coverage that handles both dry debris and sticky messes. Whether you're dealing with pet hair or tracked in dirt, this system provides consistent cleaning that keeps floors looking great, with minimal intervention. The vacuum's enhanced navigation and obstacle detection work efficiently, avoiding furniture and cables, while the mopping function scrubs floors with rotating pads. The base station handles both emptying the dustbin and cleaning the mop pads automatically. What really sets this apart is the balance of vacuum and mop performance that doesn't sacrifice either function. You get reliable cleaning across different floor types, while the automated maintenance reduces hands-on work. Who's it for? Perfect for busy families or anyone needing both vacuum and mop capabilities with comprehensive automation. Bottom line, the eufy X10 Pro Omni isn't just versatile, it's a complete floor care system that handles multiple cleaning tasks effectively. Number 3. NARWAL Freo X10 Pro Robot, an innovative cleaning robot built for households who want exceptional mopping performance alongside solid vacuuming. If you're tired of robots that mop poorly or require constant attention, this one changes the game with advanced mopping technology. What sets it apart is the superior mopping system that applies consistent pressure and uses clean water throughout the cleaning cycle. You get professional-level floor washing that handles dried spills and stubborn stains, while the vacuum function picks up debris effectively before mopping begins. The build quality is premium and dependable. The base station automatically washes and dries the mop pads while refilling clean water, creating a truly hands-free cleaning experience. The smart navigation maps your home accurately and avoids obstacles reliably. One of the standout features is how the robot adjusts mopping pressure and water flow based on floor conditions, ensuring optimal cleaning without overwetting floors or leaving streaks behind. Who's it for? Perfect for households prioritizing mopping performance or anyone wanting professional-level floor washing with full automation. Bottom line, the NARWAL Freo X10 Pro isn't just another robot, it's a mopping specialist that delivers restaurant-quality floor cleaning at home. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest robot vacuum reviews are coming your way. And no need to dig around, I've dropped all the links you need right there in the description. Number 2. Roborock Qrevo S5V Robot Vacuum and Mop, a smart and capable cleaning system that excels in both vacuuming and mopping with advanced features. What sets the Qrevo S5V apart is its excellent balance of cleaning power and intelligent operation. Unlike basic robots that struggle with complex layouts, Roborock's Qrevo delivers impressive performance with advanced obstacle avoidance and precise room mapping. The system rewards users with thorough cleaning, while the comprehensive base station handles maintenance automatically. One of the standout features is the powerful suction combined with intelligent mop lifting that prevents wet mopping on carpets. The unit feels precisely engineered, providing confident cleaning across mixed floor types without manual intervention. The Qrevo S5V includes proven Roborock reliability with quality construction that provides excellent performance. You get comprehensive app control with detailed mapping, while the self-maintaining base station handles emptying, washing, and drying automatically. Who's it for? Perfect for tech-savvy users or anyone wanting advanced features with reliable performance for comprehensive home cleaning. Bottom line, the Roborock Qrevo S5V redefines smart home cleaning with advanced technology and reliable operation for demanding households. And finally, my number one pick, iRobot Roomba J9 Plus Robot Vacuum, a next-generation cleaning robot that combines proven reliability, cutting-edge obstacle avoidance, and comprehensive smart features. Whether you have pets, complex floor plans, or just want the best automated cleaning available, this model delivers professional quality performance. What sets the Roomba J9 Plus apart is its incredible AI-powered obstacle recognition that identifies and avoids pet waste, cables, and small objects with impressive accuracy. Unlike other robots that get stuck frequently, the J9 Plus provides consistently reliable cleaning with minimal user intervention. Smart engineering is built right in. The advanced navigation system learns your home's layout and creates efficient cleaning paths, while the auto-empty base provides weeks of hands-free operation. The powerful suction handles pet hair and debris effortlessly across all floor types. The refined construction reaches its peak with iRobot's premium materials and proven engineering. The comprehensive app provides detailed cleaning reports and customization options that make the robot adapt perfectly to your household's specific needs. Who's it for? Ideal for pet owners, busy professionals, or anyone wanting the most reliable and intelligent robot vacuum experience available. Bottom line, the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus is the total package. Outstanding intelligence, proven reliability, and comprehensive features make it the ultimate cleaning robot. And that wraps up my countdown of the best robot vacuums you can get this year. Drop your favorite in the comments, smash that like button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.